guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu. So today you can see I'm having you in my bathroom, and you can hear some echo. But today I'm going to take you through my wash day routine. I'm prepping my hair for a long-term protective hairstyle. So I was thinking, let me bring you guys with me before we do our holiday hair that's going to last us until 2022. Man, it's just crazy thinking about 2022 is right about the corner, right around the corner. Anyway guys, so today I'm going to take you through my whole wash day routine. If you can see back there, those are my product lineup. Yeah, so let me take you real quick on the steps that you're going to do. So we're going to pre-poo and detangle. We are going to strengthen our hair using my famous Henna Gloss. And then we are going to deep condition. Okay, did I just keep cleansing? Wow. Okay, rewind. We are going to pre-poo, then detangle, and then we're going to cleanse our hair, get it really clean, and then we are going to strengthen, because we need our hair to last for at least 4 weeks strong. Okay, so we're going to strengthen our hair and then follow that up with a deep conditioning session. During the deep conditioning through the deep conditioning session, I'm going to use some heat, and then we are going to wrap up the whole wash day routine. So because I think tomorrow I'm going to style, so that will be a whole other video. Okay, so today that's the plan. So if I don't see you later, probably you'll just hear my voiceover and look at the demo. And yeah, so let's get this video started. I am starting off with 3 weeks old dry but stretched hair. You guys know I haven't been feeling well, and that's why my hair hasn't been getting some TLC, but we're going to change that today. First step is pre-poo, and I'll be using this African Pride pre-poo on damp hair. I apply it on big sections, and I wash that in very well, put it up in twists, and put it under a shower cap for at least 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, it's the next step, which is detangling. Now I do this in small sections. I reapply the product as needed, and I also wet the hair as needed. So I take my time with detangling. It takes me about 30 to 45 minutes to detangle gently. After rinsing out the pre-poo with warm water, this is what we have. And then we move on to the next step, which is cleansing. I use this Sheth natural Sheba shampoo bar to cleanse my hair. For the first cleanse, I don't expect it to foam up. It's working to remove all the dirt, but during the second cleanse you can see it foam up, and that's an indication that the hair is clean. The hair and scalp are clean. I proceed to use the scalp massager. Now I can tell you guys, the first time I used it I was very rough and hard on it. This just needs you to be really gentle, very gentle, because you can end up, you'll feel it afterwards. If you're really rough, you will really feel it. I then give myself a nice scalp massage, like a gentle scalp massage, and then spread the rest of the product all through my strands. Follow that up with rinsing it out. When you see me grab my gloves, you know we're about to apply some henna. You guys know henna stains, so gloves are very necessary. This henna is my DIY henna gloss. I do have a recipe. I'll link it up there so you can go check it out. This next step is the strengthening step, and I apply the henna onto my scalp, on the strands, and focusing it on the ends. I massage it very well inside on my scalp, so everywhere gets the goodness of henna. The great thing about henna is that it gives you great definition. That's why it was very necessary for me to detangle before applying the henna to remove all the shed hair and just have an easy breezy wash day. I must admit, henna is a messy process, but guys, it's well worth it. I promise you. After letting it sit for about an hour or so, it's time to rinse it off. The final step is to deep condition, and I'll be using the Saru Organics Hair Growth Mask. Don't laugh at me, guys. I realized at the last minute that I had empty containers, but you know what? We're going to make it work. This product is more than enough. I use the amount in each container for each section of my hair, and then I start off by working my way from the ends all the way to the roots. I want you guys to pay attention to the amount of product that is in my hair. Later on, you're going to see a difference. I bring out my blow dryer and I use this to put some heat onto my hair. Heat does help deep conditioners absorb better. And after 20 minutes, you can see that the product is well absorbed. I mean, I love using heat. You can see a little bit of product. I usually do 20 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes is ideal, but it was getting late, so I just did 20 minutes, but you can still see the difference the heat makes. I switched up from my lasso to my dera because my lasso was drenched, and I used the dera to soak up the extra water. And this is how my hair looks after all those steps. My hair is feeling really light. It has some movement. It has some moisture in there. It has like life back into the hair. I mean, it feels so nice to run my fingers through my hair, not feeling all the tangling and webbing from the shed hair. I just feel so nice. My scalp feels great. I mean, this is a successful wash day, even though it's the longest wash day. At this point, I don't apply any more product to my hair. I just twist it up and let it air dry. I'll apply products tomorrow. Today this is the end of the wash day, just twisting it up, letting it air dry, slipping in my nappy happy satin bonnet, and tomorrow we style. And since my hair is high porosity, it does not take long to dry if I don't apply any product. So that's the plan. If you're having a late wash day, don't apply any product, let your hair dry. So these are my two balls of shed hair. On the left it's during detangling, and on the right it's throughout the whole entire process. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Make sure to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy holidays!